still remains in progress, and therefore much of operation details cannot be put out in the open domain for obvious reasons.
Obviously had an economic effect on Pakistan.
नौसेना प्रमुख एडमिरल दिनेश त्रिपाठी का बयान पाकिस्तान के लिए बड़ा झटका साबित हो सकता है। उन्होंने पुष्टि की कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी भी जारी है और इसी वजह से इसके कई पहलू सार्वजनिक करना ठीक नहीं है। एडमिरल त्रिपाठी ने बताया कि मई 2025 में पहलगाम हमले के तुरंत बाद भारतीय नौसेना ने उत्तरी अरब सागर में INS विक्रांत सहित पूरे कैरियर बैटल ग्रुप को बेहद आक्रामक अंदाज में तैनात कर दिया था। यह तैनाती इतनी प्रभावशाली थी कि पाकिस्तानी नौसेना अपनी जहाज समुद्र में उतार ही नहीं सकी। कराची और ग्वादर के बंदरगाहों पर खड़े जहाज वहीं जमे रहे, जबकि बाकी मकरान तट के पास ही सीमित क्षेत्रों में छिपकर चलते रहे। एडमिरल के अनुसार भारतीय नौसेना की इस हाई टेम्पो ऑपरेशनल तैनाती ने पाकिस्तान को भारी आर्थिक नुकसान पहुंचाया। उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि पिछले 7 महीनों से नौसेना लगातार उच्च स्तर पर ऑपरेशन चला रही है और इसने पाकिस्तान की नींद हराम कर दी है। भारतीय नौसेना अब भी उसी मजबूती से तैनात है और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अपनी गति के साथ जारी है।
Which still remains in progress, and therefore much of operation details cannot be put out in the open domain for obvious reasons. But as you would have noticed, we reaffirm our commitment, our readiness, our capability, and most importantly our deterrence potential of our Navy. Much has been spoken about that, including during those 4 days and thereafter. So all of you are aware, and it is also there in the open domain.
Economic effect, it is again there in the open domain as to which all shipping companies refused to go to Pakistani ports. It was very clear that by some estimates, I think 10 to 15% certainly there was a drop in the trade, and that obviously had an economic effect on Pakistan. It was too short a time actually to have any meaningful effect, but obviously for they must have felt the pinch, and if the operation had continued, active operation, kinetic ops had continued for longer time, their economy would have suffered. There was no chance of any retaliation. There was no occasion at all. Like I said, they remained close to their harbors, in their ports and in their airports. When I say airports, they are even maritime surveillance aircraft. They never came anywhere close by. So that is the 3 answers.
Mr.